You're going to love this smoked top sirloin steak recipe. I make it in the pellet grill to make super tender beef that's perfect for tacos or rice bowls or salads, whatever you have coming up. So these are beautiful, beautiful sirloin steaks. What I like to do is make a marinade, and I'm going to show you how to do that here, but you could always just use a dry rub, but the marinade really adds a lot of juice and flavor. It's a bunch of pretty simple ingredients: barbecue rub, red wine vinegar, olive oil, garlic, ginger, cilantro, lime juice, and chipotle powder. You could kind of put in whatever flavors you want, substitute those as you see fit for your taste. So I like to marinate sirloin steaks before smoking them for about 30 minutes up to a few hours. Just pop it all in the fridge, let them hang out and marinate and get all tasty. And then when it's time to smoke, you go ahead and light up your pellet grill, Pit Boss, Camp Chef, whatever you have, and you smoke sirloin steak directly on the grill grates for about 45 minutes a pound. We like to cook them to about 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit inside. Definitely use an internal read thermometer. This is a perfectly rare to medium rare smoked sirloin steak temperature for us. You can cook it longer or less. You could also reverse sear this to finish in a hot cast iron skillet on the stove, but I don't always find that necessary. Till next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!